Hello students, there is a question, that is what is the amount of energy required to convert m gram of ice that's temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius of steam. So over here amount of energy required, directly what will happen, that you will supply energy to the ice. So ice minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature will convert into 0 degrees Celsius of ice. It will be heated. So that is minus 20 degree Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, and on further heat supply 0 degrees Celsius ice will convert into 0 degrees Celsius of water. Latent heat of fusion will take place over here. This is the water, and afterwards water will be heated and it converts 0 degrees Celsius of water H2O to 100 degrees Celsius of water, and on further heating 100 degrees Celsius water will convert into steam. So that is of 100 degree Celsius of steam, and on further heating 100 degrees Celsius of steam will convert into 130 degrees Celsius of steam. So further 100 degrees Celsius of steam convert into 130 degrees Celsius of steam. This conversion will take place. So for this heat supplied delta Q equal, first of all, minus 20 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius of ice, that in mass m, specific heat of ice into delta theta, change in temperature, that is 20 degrees Celsius, and plus 0 degrees Celsius to 0, this is the ml m, and this is latent heat of fusion, and further 0 degrees Celsius of water to 100 degrees Celsius of water, mc theta, mass m, specific heat c is 1 mc theta, change in temperature, and theta is 1 minute please, 0 to 100 minus 20 degrees Celsius to 0 mc theta, 0 to 0 ml, and then 0 to 100 degrees Celsius of water, this is 100 degrees Celsius, plus now 100 degrees Celsius of water to 100 degrees Celsius of steam, ml, ml of vaporization, and later on 100 degrees of steam to, this is mc theta, mc specific heat for steam into delta theta. Now I am substituting the values. This is the m is specific heat for ice is half calorie per gram per degree Celsius. So this is the half, and this is 20, plus m latent heat of fusion for ice is 80 calorie per gram, plus m into 100, plus latent heat of vaporization is 540 calorie per gram, plus m. Specific heat for steam is, I am writing this term downwards, upward no space, so plus m, a specific heat for the steam, that is 100 degrees Celsius and above, 0.47, this is decimal, 0.47 calorie per gram, and change in temperature 100 degrees Celsius to 130, it is 30 degree. This is the total energy that will be supplied This is the total energy that will be supplied. This is delta Q, or only Q you may write. So this is the total energy that will be supplied. Okay. In case in this you have any doubt, please clear comments me. I'll reply it. Okay. Best.